Hello, my name is Frankie. This is my Inventor research project about Samuel Morse. Samuel Morse was born in April 27th, 1791. He was born in Massachusetts, but he lived in New Hampshire and New York also. His father was a pastor and a famous geographer. He's known for inventing the telegraph and use Morse code to use on it. The very first time that he publicly demonstrated the telegraph was in Morristown, New Jersey. And then later in 1838, then in 1844, he sent a message all the way from Baltimore to Washington, D.C. He also invented the Morse code, which is with a simple a series of dots and dashes to represent the letters and characters sent over the Morse code. The telegraph was used to send messages over long distance instantly that they could communicate this way. They even had ways they put cables across the Atlantic Ocean to talk clear across the ocean instantly. He was also before he invented the telegraph, he was a well-known artist, a famous painter. The major thing, everybody probably knows him because of SOS. It's 3 dots, 3 dashes, 3 dots. That was the code that he created, the Morse code, that is internationally known. That SOS is the International Distress Call. Thank you for watching my video about Samuel Morse.